You got to turn your body. Heel forward. Turn your core. Forward, forward. Live hand position. 1, 2. 1, 2.
Violence destroys. Weaponizing is the counter strategies to violent criminal assault. Hey, I'm Greg LaBeouf, aka The Violence Guy, and I'm sharing with you how I went from the victim of a brutal attempted murder to mastering the tool of violence and protecting myself and family, and how you can do the same from the safety and comfort of your own home. Welcome to Weaponizing DIY.
Obanique means the fan. We're going to do a horizontal fan, and we're going to do a vertical fan. So let's start with the horizontal first. So again, the stick now has to stay flat. I want you to think of it literally like a ceiling fan. It stays flat and parallel. The stick's going to stay like this. The stick's not going to go like this. The stick's not going to go like this. The stick is a fan, and that fan's going to spin. What we're going to do, though, is we're going to turn our body in for 1. So see how the stick's nice and flat? Imagine whatever I want to hit's right there. I turn my body, boom. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come all the way over. I'm going to turn the fan on, rotate it 360 degrees, boom, and hit the fan on the other side. Turn, boom. Turn, boom. And this is an Obanique, a horizontal Obanique. Now, you got to turn your body, heel forward, turn your core. Forward, forward, live hand position. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, boom, boom, boom. Look at my arm. My arm's not moving. My body, arm stays still. My body turned it out. I just have to flip the wrist over. And then I just time it. Boom. 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 And look. Bend. Boom. 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 Okay? That is a horizontal Obanique. Now we're going to go vertical. Somebody attacks. Somebody with a knife tries to stab me. And as that comes in, boom. I'm piking the body. Comes in, pike the body. Look how I'm up on the ball. Look how I'm up on the ball of my foot. Something comes in, I'm weighted down, comes in, boom. I pike, and I get the weight up on the ball of the foot. Because the stick came down and it's hitting from the left side. Boom. Now when I switch, I'm going to come back to center. When I switch, boom, the weight shifts to the front leg, to the right leg. Left leg, 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 right leg. Left, right. Left, right. And the whole time, keeping my body pike, but not this. Don't let the head come over. Head stays up. Stomach. Get skinny on your stomach. Concave your chest a bit, but keep everything else up. Left leg, right leg. Boom, boom, boom. And look what it's doing. Okay? Okay, so horizontal is up high. Rotating those hips. Let the body do this. You're building so much power and economy of motion and crispness in those tight core rotations for things like elbows. Then you're still learning to rotate your hips to get those motions, but all of a sudden it's when something attacks the center. The center is where we're most stable. Then something threatens it here, boom, there's this little pike, bam, bam, bam. But you learn to throw your weight. Right side, left side, right side, left side. So the most important part about doing the vertical florete is about throwing the weight left, right, okay? Just being here and it's like, whoa, whoa. If you just focus on the stick, turn, See again? When I turn my body right, the stick's quarter of the way there. Just let the wrist bring it over. Now coming back, when I shift the weight, see how the stick started to elevate? Because my body moved. Boom, 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 boom. Okay? A very unique and amazing way to express the body that you're never going to just fall into. You're not just going to all of a sudden do that with your body. You need a process to get you there. The Obaniques are absolutely the way to get you there.